Hello?
Lee. My name is Lee. Can I have your name, please?
Larry!
Now, sir, you don't have to yell. You don't have to yell, sir.
Listen to me, round-eyed. Yeah, I cannot program VCR. It's very difficult to have the brinking right on there. Croc is still brinking.
I don't know what you're talking about. This is T-Mobile.
Yeah.
Are you trying to get some service with us?
Yeah.
All right, what are you trying to get, sir?
It's not working. You gotta come over here and show me how to work it.
I'm not able to do that. I mean, we're a phone company. We're from a different part of the state, so that's not gonna be able to help. Just go to the T-Mobile store, and they'll be able to go ahead.
You hook up to television cable in the back. I press button. Croc is still brinking. Croc is still brinking. Listen to me, round-eyed. What's your name?
I already told you my name twice.
It's not working. You gotta come over here and show me how to work it. Yeah.
No, I can't. I already told you I can't do it, so you gotta go to a T-Mobile store and have them help you try to get the phone to work. Okay?
You caught on a phony phone and crank a call. I press one, it's not brinking right. It keeps bringing the clock. I gotta bring it meaning come over in a half hour. RCA means a really crappy appliance. Yeah.